OSPF on broadcast medium. If you have OSPF speaking routers using the same broadcast medium, then DR and BDR elections will happen. The reason for DR and BDR in the broadcast network is to efficiently handle the updates between the shared routers. The broadcast link is considered as pseudonode, meaning the cost from pseudonode to any attached routers will be equal to 0. The DR and BDR routers send updates to all OSPF speaking routers using multicast address 224.0.0.5. The other routers, Drother, send updates to DR/BDR using multicast address 224.0.0.6. If any changes happen in the network, instead of flooding broadcast that information to all the routers in the network, that update will be first sent to DR/BDR, then DR/BDR will update down to its peers. Router priority plays a role in electing the DR and BDR. The DR and BDR election will happen per Ethernet segments. The default OSPF priority is 1. If the router priorities are the same, then router ID will be used as tiebreaker. You can manually set router ID. If not set, then loopback is first preferred. If no loopback on the device, then the highest interface IP address will be chosen as router ID. If you set OSPF priority as 0, then it will be ineligible for DR or BDR elections. Please note there is no preemption in DR and BDR. If DR goes down and BDR takes over as DR role and the original DR come back online, role change won't happen as there is no preemption.